Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry about yesterday. Just couldn't stream. What can I say? That's life. That's what all people say. You know that song. All right, pandas. We're back at it again. Good morning, everybody. Lee A, good morning for real. Sorry about that. Crimson Demon, good morning. Benali Hawk, for real, let's hope so. Your hopes have come true. Pablo, good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Oh, let's change that. Ooh. Do not want to jump 1,000, 100 contracts in. Let's see if we can get something here. It's just a second entry long off a trend line. It looks okay. Big up, big down. Couldn't make his way back up. Chris says, Panda, I watched one of your recent live and I laughed so hard when you won a trade and you made a turkey voice. Did you know I was actually a turkey, not a panda? Blue Steel, good morning. Pablo Escobar. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. What have I gotten myself into? Yesterday, actually? Yesterday, actually, not that bad in terms of price action. Actually had some good movement yesterday. I mean, this is tradable. At least this is tradable here. Deep pullback, coming back up, staying above the 20 MA. Right at an area where just you don't know what's going to happen. Does break through it. Trap trade. Yeah, I mean, you can't go long. You can't take the second long, but it's beneath 20 MA. Not too shabby. Oh, am I going to win this trade? Oh, hello. It's looking really good for me. I mean, that's exactly what you want to see when you enter a trade. Like, bull bar ending on your high. I mean, there's no better entry bar. But no follow through. Exactly what you don't want to see right after that. Showing signs of limit order market. Only if there was a way. Only if there was a way to know the limit order market before it bites you in the butt. Jamil 101, good morning. Crimson Demon, today's FOMC, absolutely. You know what? Let's throw a whiskey challenge up there because of that. I mean, why not? Today is FOMC. I mean, what should I make it? Make it somewhat reasonable. I gotta keep it at 100. I mean, we've been getting like
Target filled.
over 100. Not over 100, like 70 some viewers. Let's try it. I mean, that's a quick scalp. I'll take it. I'll take that quick scalp. I like it because it's also a 1-to-1 for me. Right, it was a 1-for-1. So we made the 1-to-1. Crimson Demon, I feel so bad. Did you know you won the giveaway, Crimson Demon? You won the giveaway. You were one of the winners, but you vanished. You vanished like a fart in the wind. Just poof. Gone. Dale Matney, good morning. I'm not sure if I've seen that name before. Welcome. Tate, good morning. Smash that like button. Appreciate that. Reminding everyone what's good. Today's FOMC Wednesday. Don't forget. We could be very choppy until then. We already got some bamboo today, though. Which is nice. 200 bamboo. It's a second entry long, just off our trend line, right? Multiple hits on this trend line. Crimson Demon, watch the stream. You were one of the winners. You were one of the winners. Some people didn't respond. And when you don't respond, we re-rolled it for new winners, and you were one of them. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. If you're new here, I'm Bye Bye Money. I'm the best, absolute best price action trader on YouTube. That's a panda. 100%. I'm the best panda trader ever. No denying that. Ooh, second entry shorts. 2,500 tick chart. It's huge risks, though. Very big risk. I'm gonna wait till market opens. All right, second entry short here. A, B, C. All right, two pushes up. I like to say A, B, C because it's easier to say than first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. If you guys don't know, I trade pure price action. One of the setups I like to trade is a two-legged pullback. But I like to do other setups too. I don't know what they're called really. But always in long, always in short, I like to enter. Limit order markets. I like to enter limit orders. I don't know. I don't know what those setups are called. But pretty much we just look at how the price moves and we trade accordingly. I mean, that's it. No indicators other than the one that counts legs, so you can easily identify second entry shorts and second entry longs. Market's about to open in 30 seconds. Markets open. Right, the 2500 tick chart makes a second entry short successfully, 1-to-1. 1-to-1. It's a big risk. If you're willing to take that risk, then it's a decent trade. Feels like an entry long here, right at market open. We're gonna sit on our pause here. We're gonna take only A plus setups, pandas, from now on. All right, A plus setups only, which means we may not even take a trade. A plus setups only, pandas. I realize I've been trigger happy the last couple weeks. It does work for you if the market, if it's your markets,
5-minute trap.
feels like inch long. If it's your market cycle, right, the market cycle that you do well in, then when you're like trigger happy, it's amazing. Which it has been like the last 2 weeks of last year were amazing trading actually, best trading all year. Nice push down. Ends up hitting a 1-to-1. Fills the gap on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute has a gap. Right, we opened here, but the close yesterday was here. We filled it. Went all the way down to fill it here. In this channel, we assume you know how to read a candle. Right, red candles means it closes lower than it's open. The body, depending on the color, red colored candles, the top of the body is open, the bottom of the body is closed. The top of the wick is the high, the bottom of the wick is the low. If it's a green candle, then the open is the bottom of the body and the close is the top of the body. The low is the bottom of the wick, the low wick. Or you can call it tail, and the top of the wick is the high. So I can't just short. Unfortunately, it's an outside bar reversal. I'm going to sit on my pause on this one. But we are right on our trend line too. It's kind of nice. It does trigger both. Ooh, could have, shoulda, woulda. Ends up being a decent second entry short, just right off our trend line again. Very nice. It's just unfortunately triggers the outside bar reversal, but then triggers again. All right. See what we got. Big up, big down. Measure move maybe on the 2500 tick chart. Right, that's your measure move here. Push down, pull back, push down. It makes sense to come down here, I guess. I don't know what else you got. Pandas, good morning. S tier setups only. All right, we're going for S tier setups only. Major trend reversals. What else? Major trend reversals and trend continuations. Major trend reversals off a key area. Okay, another second entry short. Right off our trend line. Terrible looking signal bar. This is a fail second entry short. It actually is a decent area, but we're beneath the 20 EMA, unfortunately. So I'm not going to take any trade here. Good entry bar. That could be enough to convince you to enter short there, which would have gotten you a scalp. Yep, we've gotten you a scalp. A couple scalps already. We got 2 successful second entry shorts. Unheard of in today's market. Actually getting these setups, amazing. Okay, maybe trying to get that that measure move, 2500 tick chart measure move here. This leg pullback, and then the measure move is basically we're assuming it's gonna move the same amount as it did here. Why do measure moves work? It's because of math. Math. Knowledge. Because of knowledge, pandas. That's why measure moves work. Crimson Demon, Panda, you're the best trading streamer ever. I appreciate it. We like to keep it real here. There's some bigger channels out there for sure, but I mean it's really fake trading. Let's say maybe the only real trade might be trades by Matt. It's because he's bad, right? Like he messes up. I'm not saying he's a bad trader, but I'm saying like he shows you his mistakes. You know 100% this is legit trading because of how bad I am. You've seen me bust so many accounts here. But you also see me get multiple payouts here. So, I mean, it's a mix. Strong bear bar closing near its low. 5-minute chart. It's a decent place for a fail second inch short. Decent place for it. And it looks decent for it as well. I could attempt to fail second inch short here. But yeah. It could be a decent place for it. Maybe looking for a new low now. Maybe. Jenny. Okay, it's a second trade long, not interested. We're beneath the 20 MA. Okay. Okay. Completely or left in bars. Pushing down. Okay. Good second inch short again. Interesting, making a new low. The market could be showing its true colors right now. Could just be going down, down. Here we go. Down, down, baby. Your street in a Range Rover. Who knows what song that is? Going down, down, baby. Your street in a Range Rover. I actually had no idea that's what he actually said. Who knows that song? 10 plus points if you know that song. Goodness gracious. FOMC day today, which means that we have FOMC announcement at 2 p.m., which means that this market could be very choppy until then. Very choppy until then. FOMC days are very choppy. That's why Whiskey Wednesdays are started. We got 17 likes, pandas. I think we can reach 100. If everyone does their part, I'm certain we can. If everyone does their part, we can reach the goal. Second inch short here. Big push up. Another decent location for a fail second inch short. Bottom of this trading range. Possibly. Especially on a day like today where we have FOMC announcement. I'll attempt it here. Let's get a runner if we can get one. I don't mind this trade because we're bouncing off the bottom of this big up and then down, and we're bouncing right off of it with a major trend reversal setup. So if it doesn't make it, it doesn't make it, but I mean, it's looking decent.
2500 tick trap.
Looks like a decent setup to me. Only look for S tier setups, and the thing is, like, if this works, it's real nice. Go for 1, 2, and then look for a dream. Pandas can dream, right? I take it all back. What in the world was that? What in the world was that snap? Notice, pandas, my stop loss was up here where this red line is. And it stops me out here where this little teeny arrow is. 10-point slippage. You gotta love that. Absolutely love that. I love it. I love the Nascraq for that reason. Scalp that like button for keeping it real on this channel. Pandas, what are we doing here? We're going to make that measure move, huh? Certainly will. I guess you could try to just jump in here. Nah, measure move pretty much made. All right, we got the measure move here. Almost hits it to the T. All right, you got this push down, pull back, coming back down to it. This is a good level. Good target to hit, right? If you're a swing trader, you go short here. It's a good target to try to reach for a swing trade. A lot of people, as you can see, took their target pretty much here. Maybe, you know, front ran it a little bit by a couple ticks or a couple points, maybe 1 or 2 points. By 1 point, they might have front ran it. First entry here. Looking for another trend reversal if we can get one. Hitting that measured move. Big push down. Okay. So a lot of people who front ran it, they took their profits. But these people, the strong bears, are saying, nope, we're not done yet. We're going to go down. Now this looks a little bit sus. Strong bear bar ending near its low, reversed on a dime with limit orders. You're kind of sweating now if you went short here, thinking you can get that extra point down here. Second inch is short. Okay, definitely not with this signal bar. Major trend reversal again. We're gonna look for it. Major trend reversal. We're looking for it.
$2,500 tick trap.
Big push down. Looks like we're not gonna get it. Strong bear bar. Ending on this low. You're thinking it's gonna make a new low now. With a bar like this, you're thinking high degree of certainty that we're gonna make a new low here.
500 tick trap.
Amazingly, no new low yet. Sick. Okay, there it is. So we finally do hit the measure move, like, actually. Right, the measure move was actually hit. It kind of missed it, and you can tell a lot of people took their profits here. A lot of people took their profits, and then finally hit the measure move. Now everyone took their profits. We're bouncing. People are really taking their profits now. Big 2 bull bars in a row. Closing well at 20 EMA now. Can you show me your channel setting? Not sure what you mean. Like how I set up my channels? It's just I don't know. It's just a channel. I do have a midline in my channel though. If you create a channel very quickly and then double click it or right click and go to properties on it, you can go all the way down and this is levels and you can set up price levels. I have one at the 50% mark. Another attempt at a major trend reversal here. We'll try again. If we break this high, essentially we are in reversal territory. I like it with a fails against a short, of course, if we can get it. Of course, if we can get it. Feels like it's short. This is an A+ setup in my opinion. S tier setup. Here we go. Because of the potential risk reward here. Decent push down. We're still in this. Turning to a limit order market though, right? This is becoming a trading range essentially. I guess I don't like it anymore. Trading range, but with a bias to the downside, right? A bias to break down to the downside. So you're not gonna really try to buy it near the bottom, but you can sell it near the top. You cannot really buy it near the bottom because of the potential risk of breakdown. Again, pandas, today is FOMC day. Make sure you scalp that like button because we got a whiskey challenge. But if you don't know, today is FOMC. At 2 p.m., they're going to announce one and one. They're going to announce the Fed funds rate along with the FOMC, and it could be crazy. It could actually be kind of crazy. Trump's in office, and that really means that who knows what they can do. They could just be cutting interest rates right now, right away. I know that's Trump's agenda. He wants to cut interest rates as much as possible, which is crazy because he also wants to lower inflation as much as possible. And it's just like, I don't know. You're between a rock and a hard place. How do you lower interest rates but also lower inflation? Is the question. Inflation happens with a booming economy as well. Pushing down. It's the bottom of the trading range. Does come off our trend line. Also 20 EMA with first entry or fails like entry long. No. Sitting on my pause here. Looking for S tier setups, and I don't think I've seen one yet. I mean, I think this is a S tier because of the very good risk reward. Ends up losing it, but very good potential. We are loving this measured move. People are just buying it up here on the measured move. We can see it multiple hits here. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits off this measured move. We're currently trying to limit order market, so I'm going to sell somewhere up here. Okay. Currently a trading range. Better to sell up here than to buy down here. Currently my order is right on the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. So my order is right now. Ooh, failed second entry short. Unfortunately, we're in this trading range, so I'm not gonna go long here. In fact, I'm gonna go sell it when we hit the top. Maybe a failed trap also. I could potentially take it. How much more do I want to risk here? If I want to scale in one time, wide stop. Looks like we're breaking out now. Yeah, I'll just take the hit. I'm fine with that. I'd rather just take the hit than like risk my ruin. I mean, we're breaking out of this trading range with the fail second entry short. That's a major trend reversal. Okay, let's push back down. I want a piece of this. Coming back into our trading range. We're way back into our trading range. I guess my premise was correct. I just needed a wider stop. I didn't know how much wider I really wanted it, though. You know what I mean? How much risk do I really want to do for this trade? My premise was eventually ends up being correct. Comes back into our trading range. Pushes back up. I mean, the lower high here. Sure, why not? Why not? Lower high, back into our trading range. try again. Lower high here. Back into our trading range. Hopefully come back near the bottom of it. It's a pretty big push down. It's looking decent. We're definitely scalped out by now. 2 legs down. Fortunately, we might not let it cook too long. No, it's getting rancid. Trade is getting absolutely rancid here. Jeez. All right, I'm sorry. Sorry, I try to stick to my premise. Try to stick to my targets. Pushes back up above this pivot high. I was not expecting that. Goodness gracious, we're 1 for 3. Market's going completely sideways right now. The lower high ends up being a good scalp. Maybe I should just be looking for quick scalps right now. No more swing trading. Quick scalps. Have a runner. Let's get it. Let's get it, pandas. Yep, 2 p.m.'s huge news. We should assume that basically it's going to be choppy until the news. Second just short back into our trading range. Yikes. Can I get a piece of this? Pandas can dream, right? Pandas can certainly dream here. The lower high does trigger. So, fails like entry long. I'm in for that. Fails like entry long. If it triggers. I'm in again here. Okay. Trying to hit the bottom of this trading range. Having a tough time doing it. Very tough time doing it.
2500 tick trap.
I think something magical can happen here. I think something absolutely magical can happen here. Let's see if we can catch some magic. It looks like the magic has caught us. We are on the wrong side of this magic right now. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what, we are on the wrong side of this magic. Okay, can come out break even if I wanted to. I'll tell you what, if we break this low, we're in some sort of magical land. Wow. That is unexpected. Strong bear bar ending on his low gets absolutely reversed. Well, the bull bar takes me out. Okay, I mean trading range. I did not expect the trading range to turn into a trading range right here. Maybe something I should have expected. I don't know. But we end up just making a very strong trading range right here now. Goodness gracious. I mean, hey, I guess I should have guessed we were gonna be choppy, but I was trying to take advantage of that chop. The market just turned to absolute mush. I should stay away. Down 2K, pandas. I mean, the record's 1-4. Whoo! Getting a nice push up now. Are we going far though? Are we really going that far? Man, this is tough. Look at the 5-minute chart. We're clearly underneath the 20 MA here. 2500 tick chart getting just right above the 20 MA now. Bouncing off that measure move very nicely. Maybe all the people who took the profits said we're reversing. Okay. Push up. Again, today's FOMC, so it could be very choppy. Very choppy. We're in a broad channel, looks like currently. The difference between a broad channel and a narrow channel is that the broad channel is broad. Thank you. I know. Enlightening. Very. But one of the characteristics of a broad channel is that both bears and bulls make money. So you have to switch gears quick. You have to learn how to switch your gears very quickly. $20 EMA touched and tested on the 5-minute chart. Big push down, but completely sideways. I don't know. It's very confusing to me. Lower high could be an okay trade, but how much are you gonna really make here? How much are you really gonna make here? Doesn't make sense to go short right here. Maybe we're right on this trend line. I can't go short. Decent push up. Maybe come back to the top of this channel. Could be as easy as that. Seriously. It could be as easy as that. Just buy here, sell here. It could be as easy as that today. At least until FOMC day. FOMC. You need to mark your calendars. Set up alarms. FOMC. Lower or high here? Nope. Doesn't trigger the lower high. No clue what's happening. $2,500 tick chart might give us a clue what's happening right now. Slightly. Decent push up. You have to have some serious cojones just to buy it right here. All right. Broad channel it is. Let's trade it as such. Possibly a last trade of this on these accounts. We'll jump to sim if this doesn't work out. Pandas, we're at 23 likes. We're a quarter of the way there. Can we get there? FOMC equals runaway day. Honestly, after the FOMC, some people think it's gonna be better, but I've seen the FOMC post FOMC trading take so many funded account souls. It's you lose count for how many souls it has taken. FOMC is probably one of the biggest reasons people bust their accounts. What I mean by after FOMC announced and all the crazy trading afterwards, it has taken so many souls. It has. It's taken many of my souls. My funded account babies' souls. Making a double top here off the previous day's close. Currently in an uptrend. I'm only considering this trade because we've done it already before once here. Second entry long. It's getting just completely stopped by the previous day's close here. Having a hard time breaking above it. There you go. Getting a little snap above. Okay. Trying to go short somewhere here, but it's not really quite at any level I like. Could be creating a double top, but I mean, it's not enough for me. I need to be more oversold than this, or overbought. We're not there yet. We're not quite there yet. Not quite my tempo. Where's that from? Not quite my tempo. Fatfish? You know the bloop? I have no idea. I was thinking of something else. Fatfish, you know the bloop. I'm gonna kick that FOMC statement. Phil, you know the bloop? Wait, what? What's going on? I'm so confused. What is going on? What is this spike in channel nonsense right now? Should I just scalp this spike in channel? Rest of the stream. Huh? Okay, the moment I enter, it decides to just break down the spiking channel. Cool. Very cool. Okay, one more time. One more time. We're gonna play this channel now. One more time. And get absolutely crushed. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What are we? 1-6 again? This is just crazy. FOMC days, stay away from them. Don't even trade them. Goodness gracious, what is this? Grinds up all day. Finally breaks down. I mean, there are some hints here that the breakdown could have happened because we couldn't quite reach the top of the channel on the way down. This could reverse all the way back up here. Why not? Why not on a day like today? Why not on a day like today? Just V bottom here. Be great. High or low? Big push down. You're thinking some follow through here, but no follow through whatsoever yet. Also notice left of this is just complete chop. So even though we have a big push down, does not mean we need to have follow through. It can just reverse with limit orders. Currently in a limit order market. Looks like I just short here. Try. Thinking V bottom of some sort. Whoa!
Target.
Panis, I want to trade. It's actually possible. Little did you know, it is possible to win a trade today. You gotta just do something really weird. You gotta go completely against what you normally do. People thought that you might get another push down with this huge push down, right? Some follow through, but on days like today, I mean, just a bear leg in a trading range. Now we're hitting a bull leg in a trading range. Should I really be looking for runners on a day like today? Should I really be looking for runners on a day like today? Hey, what do I have to lose, right, pandas? What do I have to lose? Just hundreds of dollars, that's it. Only I can lose 300 some dollars times 5. It's only $1,500. I mean, come on. That's nothing. That's nothing. Okay. Took my runner out. Of course. Of course. No questions asked. This is stinky, this price action. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. We're in 2 and 6 though. It's not the worst. It's not the worst in the world. It's not the worst. But I mean, look at the market cycle. I mean, what sucks about this is not my record. It's more the fact that look at the market cycle we're in. Look at the price action. It's just untradeable. Absolutely untradeable. I mean, what am I looking at? Where's? Let's take a step back. If we were to draw a trading range around this, where would it be? If I had to draw a trading range of some sorts, where would it be? Something like this. If I had to, I mean, the 5-minute is showing us a trading range on the trading range indicator. But we're also clearly beneath the 20 MA. We could break down here big time. We really could. I'm not banking on it though. In fact, if you can't beat them, join them. If you can't beat them, join them. You know what they say. You know what they say. Resets are still $35 on Apex. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. For those who stocked up on the 90% off, it's a gift that keeps on giving because you get $35 resets. We haven't seen a promo in a long time. This might be the longest I've seen in a while now. Breaking out of this triangle. Okay. It is what it is. It is what it is, I think. Inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Oh, eye pattern, but we're going completely sideways, so I don't know. do trigger this. Not interested in anything here.
2,500 tick
Come
trap.
back into our triangle. I don't know. What do we do here? No clue. Okay. The 5-minute chart just tells us everything we need to know right now, which is this market is completely choppy. We're in a limit order market. I mean, I don't know what else you need to see. Also, FOMC day, so the first half of the day before the news is usually pretty choppy, which is this is just standard fare right now on a day like today. Hmm. OI pattern breaks to the upside. But you also have the 20 MA blocking you here. I don't know. One of those days. Just one of those days. And thus is the reason why Whiskey Wednesday was born. Because you get days like today, it's just nothing's going to happen. Very predictable. It's going to be very choppy today. Should I just go short, wide, stop? Short, wide, stop. Let's just see what happens.
Five-minute trap.
No one say a word. No one say a word right now. We're absolutely in the zone. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Easy peasy. Let's do something really cheeky here. Let's do something really cheeky here. Oh, are we breaking down? Is this not the time? Is this not the time to scale in? Just buy? Is this not the time? We're going to do something so cheeky here. It's going to be unbelievably cheeky. It's the cheekiest of all cheeks. One time. I can't bring myself to. I mean, we made such a huge comeback. Such a huge comeback with that trade. It's such a strong push down, breaking out of the trading range as well, which makes it difficult. All right, we're beneath all these pivots. It's quite tough to know when a trading range is actually done and when it's not. High or low here. I guess your best setup is a failed second entry short, but yeah, I don't know. Second entry short. Follow through with a big push down. It makes sense. It's not the worst trade in the world. Good signal bar, far away from 20 EMA though. But we're also in a super limit order market. We're really looking for continuation here on these trends. Okay. That's your signal bar. Looking for a reversal right off the bat. Not worth. Is it worth swinging this? Let's see. Decent push up. Very decent push up. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? I gotta let it cook a little bit. I'll let it cook. Goodness gracious, I'm letting this cook. Whoa! I gotta really let it cook. Gonna let it cook. Let it cook. Come on. Let him cook. Another push up. That's not good. That is not good. Muy mal. Muy mal. That is muy mal right here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh boy. Okay. Come up, break even anytime I want. Come up, break even. Nah, we're letting it cook, pandas. We're gonna let this cook, no? Fail breakdown, that's what we want to see. Fail breakdown, pandas. Let him cook! Ooh. Pandas. Do you see what I see? Come on. Come back up. Come back up into the trading range. I know you want to. I know you want to. Pandas! Let him cook!
Target
Yes! Easy peasy. Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. If I had to rank all the things in my life from the easiest to hardest, the first thing on the list would be trading. Goodness gracious, it's so simple. So easy. Oh, we let him cook. We certainly let him cook on that one. Where are we? 4 and 6. We're almost back to break even now as well. Whoa. The nice thing about letting it cook here is those who want to take the runner out, they already did their move to take the runner out. Now, will they do it again? Who knows? But we have a potential to really fly here with very low risk. All right, we're basically break even here, so I'm not really losing on this trade anymore. We have potential to really push up here. Especially being at the bottom of the trading range, just coming back to the top of it. I mean, it's that easy. It's that simple. It really is. Just buying near the bottom. Selling near the top. That's it. That's what today's strategy is. Whiskey Wednesday. We got 63 concurrent viewers. I think we can get to 100. If everyone does their part, we certainly can get to 100 likes. But can we do it in 10 minutes is the question. That is the actual question. Oh. Oh. I'm telling you, this could really push up. Because the move that will take your runners out already happened here, but we held it, and now we're done with that nonsense. We're still alive. We're still alive, pandas. I'll tell you what, though, we are. Feels like we're about to die here. Feels like we're about to die. No, don't hit it. Ah, we're dead. It's all good. We made our bamboo. Second entry long now, but break a trend new high already created here. This is tough. I don't know. Second entry long. Another inside bar being created. On the 5-minute chart. OI pattern. OI. I'd like to go to the upside here because we're in trading range. Let's try. It's quite a stretch, but I like the market cycle. I like what, bringing the upside makes more sense here to come back to the top of the trading range. With a huge push down, but look at it, closes basically halfway of the range. I don't know. I just think this trading range is still here. Either you're very good at trading ranges or you're very bad, I feel like. You know what I mean, Pandas? Like, if you're a counter trend trader, you actually love trading ranges. Because for some reason you do really well, and you're wondering, oh, how do I do so well in these trading range? Or how do I do so well in these days? Well, because everything's reversing, so your counter trends actually work. But those who like to trade with trend, they get crushed. Absolutely crushed. I would consider taking this short, but the problem is that we are in a trading range, so I'm not so keen on selling near the bottom here. If anything, I want to buy near the bottom here. OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. So OII pattern, but we're in trading range, so I'm trying to get back to the top of the trading range. I'm not sure how wide of a stop I'm going to have. I don't think my stop's me that wide. I'm just going to keep it here. could be happy with a quick scalp here. Like, I don't think I want to endure another reversal. I'm just going to get out at the next reversal, you know what I mean, Pandas? Decent push up. Alright, I'm out. I don't consider that a skunk. I made a little bamboo, but essentially a skunk. Essentially a skunk. I made a little bamboo, but... I mean, Pandas, don't forget. Don't forget, Pandas. Today's FOMC day. So at 2 p.m., market's going to go absolutely nutsos. Just be prepared. Just be prepared for that. So, that being said, Pandas, I think I'm going to end it here. We made quite a comeback from like negative, what, 2, almost negative 3,000 or something. We made a good enough comeback that I'm happy with this. I mean, some days you're going to end red, especially on days like today where you're, you know, this is your price action. This looks terrible. Pandas. Hope everyone has a great day. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. And, yeah, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.